Now, a 10 News Morning Original. New reporting first at 6.
A string of high-profile restaurant closures is highlighting a big problem. It may be getting too expensive to stay open. 10 News reporter Jared Aarons in the Live Center for us. Now, Jared, you talk to experts who say they see a troubling trend.
People in the industry say openings and closures are part of the business, but over the last 3 years, they've seen fewer openings and more closures, like this one announced on Facebook the other day by the Brooklyn Girl. They say a number of factors have created a perfect storm for restaurant owners. Posts on Facebook tell a grim tale. Longtime restaurants like Brooklyn Girl in Mission Hills, Urban Solace in North Park, closing with little notice.
The cost of goods, insurance, leases are just skyrocketing.
San Diego Food and Beverage Association President Steven Zalesi says it's becoming too expensive for many places to stay open. Cost of labor is a big part of that. Minimum wage hikes and low unemployment led to higher pay across the board. Last summer, that led to Cafe Chloe closing after 14 years in the East Village.
We never wanted to compromise on service or quality, and so we didn't make the cuts that some other people did, and here we are.
But cost isn't the only culprit. Zalesi says social media created a generation of customers who would rather try everything once than become loyal returning diners that restaurants depend on.
You could be doing everything right, great food, great service, great value, but the customers just move on because there's something else.
And even delivery apps like Grubhub, Postmates, or DoorDash wind up costing restaurants money.
As much as 30% of the price that customers are paying is going to the delivery service. So if you don't have that built into your operation, how you're going to be able to compensate for that, then that could actually create a negative.
Zalesi told me that if restaurants want to survive, they need to be able to adapt quickly, make changes on the fly, and give customers a reason to keep coming back time after time. In the Live Center, Jared Aarons, 10 News.
Interesting stuff. All right, thank you, Jared. Also,